envision a world where humans are actively regenerating the marine ecosystems that we have damaged or destroyed. A world in which traditional custodians are leading the way with their immense wisdom and connection to country. Where the indigenous cultures who have suffered deeply from cultural and ecosystem genocide are now leading a marine regenerative movement.
So it all comes back to plants, species in the different ecosystems in the saltwater area is critical to how we survive as a people in doing the cultural practices that we do.
It's funny how we just walk along and think, oh, we can see the ocean, we can see the rock pools, it's so pretty. Actually focusing just in that little section, it's like I can see 10 times more. And to try and figure out and piece together how, like say those 3 or 4 little species work together, it's just crazy to stop and take a moment to actually see what's there.
Healing Sea Country is the first program of the Lost Islands project, led by Envirotech Education, and is currently taking place in Moreton Bay, focusing on Indigenous youth with a cohort of about 25 students.
It's really cool how the local community and other communities coming together and helping strategy so then they can go back and help their own areas.
Back on that skills and knowledge thing, it's just getting those type of things empowers someone like myself to get skills to actually come back to country and care.
And so this is sort of next level. It's real, it's a certificate that they can go out into the world and use, and it's also really acknowledging that Indigenous and First Nations knowledge as being equal in terms of value to science, and it's really just a matter of weaving that together, and I think it's something we need to do all around the world.
It's the first time I've ever done any studies where I wasn't the only Indigenous person basically. Most of the time, any TAFE courses or things I've done at uni, I'm usually on my own in terms of having cultural brothers and sisters around. When we restore these habitats, that's going to help restore the water we drink, the fish that we eat, the air that we breathe. Literally, restoring the habitat restores the biodiversity, the animals. More dugongs will return, squids, more oyster production, which means more food, which increases tourism and it increases community capacity to be able to eat from the ocean. And it also gives everyone something to be proud of, something we can enjoy to look at, and something we can hand on as well to the next generation.